Hello, so this is basically kind of your model. None of faces are planar, and for example, you want this one face to make perfectly planar. So this is how you can make it. First of all, select this edge, create a new, create new orientation. Then set your origin for 3D cursor. Set your 3D cursor to this edge. Those two are your orange vertices. So this edge, okay. Then select this one, this vertex, and start rotate. Find your axis, your custom axis, and snap to another vertex. So now you can see you have perfectly planar face. This is the face now, and this is before. That's it. You can make this on all of your faces. So for example, for demonstration purposes, this one more. Okay, so snap cursor to the edge, create new transformation. You can also click this to override previous, so you will not have a bunch of new every time. Okay, select this vertex, start rotating, snap, you are good to go. And maybe try to change what they're snapping to. So for example, if you are snapping to increment, it will not work. Also, it will not work if you will have this deselected. So make sure you have selected rotation. And the last one, snap, create custom orientation, start to rotate. Okay, wrong one, sorry. Okay, so basically this is useless, maybe not. Okay, and you have almost, oh, okay. These are perfect, and you can make this by knife tool or whatever. Blub, blub, blub. Up, up. Mm. Oh, one. Okay, I screwed up. Never mind. One last thing. You can use custom orientations, and if you click G and X or X, it will start from your custom orientation, and another one, and another time you press X, it will go for global orientations. So I think you will have now all the knowledge you need to know to make your model completely good to go. Yeah, this, and what else? Oh, and one last trick. You can select those two at the same time by pressing Shift. So Shift, 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 Shift select. So for example, vertex and edge. And if you start to use or do edge slide, you can press C to lock your orientation. And if you hold Control, you will have snap to the next edge. And if you have, for example, something like this, double G to edge, edge to the tool, and you can snap it perfectly to the edge slide. Oh yeah, sorry. And no, you will make it. So up, and you are good to go. Happy blending. Goodbye. Oh, by the way, if you have any more issues, you can send me a text message. Goodbye.